Hey guys, this is what we're dealing with. We don't get stuff like this. Look at this. We just don't get snow like this around here. This is insane. Insane. Here's my driveway. That's easily a good 12 inches of snow right there. It doesn't look that big, but oh my God. This is just insane. It's not gonna go away. It's literally been snowing all day long. It's snowing light right now, but I stepped in my yard in a couple places and there's literally 12 inches of snow. I've never seen anything like this. Damn, it's gotta be 15 degrees out here too. God, it's cold. Oh, shit. Just wanted to give you guys a report on what I'm dealing with. I can't get out. And I live in town. I went to Speedway earlier today. And look, there's a car stuck right now. It's really blurry, but past that car, you can see lights flickering right now. He's stuck. If you don't have to get out, don't do it. It's not worth it. Number one, it is freezing out here. I'm telling you, even in a pants and a sweatshirt with a hood, if I was to stand out here for an hour, I really think I'd have frostbite. Stay home, guys. Stay home.